Be careful of the lies they're telling. Yeah. Be careful of the things they're selling. Yo, don't be easily misled. My you don't be easily misfed. Don't make Babylon ever trick you and fool up your head. You know the situation gets a dread. Me have to say, what them selling, I'm not buying. Me not trust Babylon, them lying. Yeah, what them selling, I'm not buying. Be careful of the things them supplying. Yeah, what them selling, I'm not buying. Consumerism get out of control. What them selling, I'm not buying. All that glitters are no gold. You think smart, my youth you better think twice. Stay focused and keep your eye on the price. Me no watch a them a sell, me no watch a them a advertise. Me no watch a them a dangle in front of your eyes. Thank you your big vehicle and tell you we gon' drive them. No tell you every other day them gas price a rise. And watch when them a sell you them burger and fries. Cook food in your yard and love super size. Cause every man born we go hunt and survive. Then why you get lazy and stop exercise? Well them a capitalize and commercialize. We not buy them merchandise. We look and say what them selling, I'm not buying. Run them well like a dog. What them selling, I'm not buying. Me not trust them cause me know them a fraud. What them selling, I'm not buying. We know where Babylon them a try. What them selling, I'm not buying. Cause me not trust them supply. And when them a sell me not buy. Them liar mud guy I try sell them some fight. So we be pretty shiny things fi catch you high. But we know where them a try. Make you spend where you not have and then the pressure them apply. Give your credit card and say the limit is the sky. Them economy, it never designed for I and I. Them a laugh when you a suffer while them riches multiply. Then them cut off your supply and left your high and dry. What them selling, I'm not buying. Now buy into them dream. What them selling, I'm not buying. Me not join up them regime. What them selling, I'm not buying. We burn Babylon cause them no clean. What them selling, I'm not buying. Ever move straight we not lean. Them religious institution at the heart of the con. Me not trust them priests and them pastor. Mr. Flames for Illuminati and them Freemason. One league we like a lamb to the slaughter. Me no trust in politics that a pay corruption. Them a take this thing for fun and laughter. Why so much innocent are dead in sufferation? Then can't find no food and no clean water. We bad. Where is the balance? Where is the equality? Where is the justice? Where is the morality? Life in the dirt with some people's unreality. Soldiers and police are bring brutality. That's why what them selling, I'm not buying. Cause we know say them a fraud. What them selling, I'm not buying. Run them well like a dog. Flash hit record. Flash hit record.